I haven't made a video for quite a while now, mostly because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I've bit the bullet. I've decided now that I am going to splurge, and I bought some fiberglass. That's 50 inch, 6 ounce per square, no, 6 ounce per yard, per square yard, and I bought 10 yards, 50 inches wide. I think that's going to be enough. Obviously I've got the resin, the hardener, the pumps, a whole bunch of rollers. I managed to snag some cheap wheels for a cart. These are $10 each. But the cost now, if I add everything up, it's getting up to like $650, which is a bit more than I wanted to spend originally. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to put these on today. These are called strakes, or strakers or something, I don't know. Someone told me they were called strakers, I think. I'm just putting them for buoyancy. Yeah, they're going to slow it down, I know that. But this is intended to be a fishing kayak, so I want to be able to stand up in this thing. I want to have a lot of deck space, and I want to be able to stand up in it so I can cast. And I want to be able to lay down in it as well, actually. This is part of the way I've designed it. So all the kayaks on the market have got all like knobs and bobs and everything in the deck area, which I don't quite know why. There's all these bumpy bits. I just want it flat, and I'll have storage at either end. So that's the plan. So I'm going to glue these on today. I'm going to finish shaping the partitions, glue those in, and at some point I'm going to start fiberglassing. This is impossible to get hold of, by the way. Fiberglass, like you can get, it's just impossible to find it anywhere. I had to drive for like 50 minutes to get to a place where I could actually talk to a human about fiberglass, get some advice. Anyway, that's going to be fiberglass. This is going to be expensive. Hopefully it's going to be worth it. Let's get down to it. Okay, before I start, I added one of these tubes that burst on me, like it split, which is kind of wrecked, whatever this is called, I don't know, my caulking gun. So it's covered in glue, so I've got to get that off first. I went to Rona, waited in line for ages, and explained, you know, this burst. Can I get another one? And she went, no, I'm sorry, you can't, I'm afraid. I said, oh, well, why not? And then she looked at the receipt and she said, because you bought these from Home Depot. So check your receipt, I guess. The hardener I'd chosen was 206, the slow hardener,
and it's not recommended that you use this below 16 degrees. So with 2 days of temperatures in that region, probably for the rest of the year, this was really going to be the last chance that I had to get this done.